Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can install previous drivers of AMD. So just go to this website. Sorry, if I remember, I'll put it in the description box down below. But you are just going to essentially go to this website, go to graphics here, and select your product. I'm just going to select the Radeon RX 5000. I have the 5700 XT if I'm not mistaken. I'll just select this one and then I'm going to submit. Once you're on this website, you are going to select previous drivers and you can basically see all of the previous drivers. Select the one, and if you scroll down even more, you'll see the release dates are older, as you can see. That's what I just said. But anyways, you're going to select the one that you want to download. You're just going to select download and you're just going to install that previous driver if you'd like to. But that is how you can I guess install previous drivers on your computer. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!